Hey everyone, buckle up, because today we're diving into a world where power meets luxury, where rugged adventure meets cutting-edge technology, and where driving stops being just a chore and becomes an experience you'll never forget. Imagine cruising through city streets, turning heads at every corner, and then taking that same vehicle off-road, knowing it can handle anything you throw at it. Sound like a dream? Well, it's about to become reality because today we're exploring the five most exciting SUVs of 2025. Vehicles that aren't just modes of transport, they're statements. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which SUV deserves your garage. And trust me, some of these might surprise you. Don't forget to subscribe and feel free to share your story in the comments. Your voice matters. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 Land Cruiser LC300, you know it's a force to be reckoned with. The design has matured beautifully, merging rugged heritage with sleek modern touches. It's like Toyota whispered to the past, "We respect you," and then turned to the future saying, "But let's make it thrilling." Every line, every curve signals adventure, even before the engine roars to life. Under the hood, the Land Cruiser now offers a hybrid engine that balances sheer power with surprising efficiency. You get the capability to tackle city traffic without guzzling gas, yet it's fully ready to dominate rocky trails, muddy paths, and steep inclines. Off-road features like hill descent control, adaptive suspension, and a sophisticated four-wheel drive system turn challenging terrain into a smooth, confidence-inspiring ride. Step inside, and the LC300 transforms. Spacious seating, premium materials, and a tech-forward dashboard create a cockpit that's as luxurious as it is functional. Comparing it to its predecessors, this model feels lighter, more agile, and incredibly responsive, a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. Yes, the price is high, but think of it as an investment in unforgettable journeys. The Land Cruiser isn't just an SUV, it's an invitation to adventure. Next up, we have the 2025 Hyundai Tucson, an SUV that masterfully balances style, innovation, and practicality. Its exterior is sharper and sportier than ever, featuring a bold front grille and sleek LED lighting that demands attention without trying too hard. The real magic, however, lies under the hood. The Tucson now offers a hybrid powertrain, combining smooth acceleration with impressive fuel efficiency. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or escaping for a weekend adventure, this SUV handles it with grace. What makes the Tucson truly remarkable is its ability to make everyday drives feel extraordinary. Inside, Hyundai has focused on comfort and technology. The driver-focused cockpit, updated infotainment system, and ergonomically designed seats turn long drives into luxurious experiences. Compared to previous models, the 2025 Tucson feels more premium, more connected, and more capable, all while maintaining the practicality that has made it a favorite for families. And the price? Surprisingly competitive, making it an irresistible choice for anyone seeking a stylish, versatile SUV without breaking the bank. The 2025 Kia Sportage doesn't just enter the SUV segment. It announces itself. Its aggressive front end, sleek lines, and larger wheels give a commanding stance that feels ready for any challenge. Kia has upped the ante with a hybrid engine option, offering spirited performance while keeping fuel economy in check, a balance more buyers are demanding today. Off-road capability is no afterthought either. All-wheel drive options and terrain management modes ensure that whether it's rain, snow, or dirt, the Sportage responds with confidence. Inside, it's a tech haven, a spacious cabin, premium materials, and an advanced infotainment system that keeps both driver and passengers entertained. Compared to older Sportage models, this one feels more refined, upscale, and engaging to drive. And the price? It punches above its weight, giving a premium feel without the premium cost. For anyone seeking a compact SUV that blends style, performance, and value, the 2025 Sportage is a strong contender. Haval has been quietly climbing the ranks, and the 2025 H6 shows why. Its bold, aerodynamic design gives a modern, sophisticated look that turns heads effortlessly. But it's not all about looks. This SUV delivers a driving experience that's both smooth and powerful, thanks to its hybrid engine. The interior continues the theme of refinement. Plush seating, user-friendly infotainment, and clever storage solutions make long journeys comfortable and stress-free. Off-road performance is solid as well, with intelligent traction control and adaptive suspension that manage different terrains gracefully. Compared to previous H6 models, the 2025 version feels more polished, more technologically advanced, and more appealing to buyers who want a modern, capable, and stylish SUV. And with competitive pricing, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to combine tech, comfort, and practicality in a single package. Finally, we have the Jetta X70 Plus, a newcomer in 2025 that refuses to be overlooked. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the X70 Plus makes a statement. Its exterior design is bold and athletic, with sharp contours, a wide, commanding grille, and full LED headlights and taillights that give it an unmistakable road presence. The SUV's aerodynamic lines not only enhance its visual appeal, but also improve efficiency and stability at higher speeds. It's a vehicle that confidently blends style with substance, signaling that it's ready for city streets, highways, and off-road adventures alike. Under the hood, the X70 Plus features a hybrid powertrain that balances efficiency with responsive performance. Acceleration feels smooth yet confident, making merges, overtakes, and long drives effortless. The hybrid system reduces fuel consumption without compromising power, while the advanced suspension and chassis tuning deliver a composed ride over various road surfaces. Off-road capability is impressive, thanks to multiple driving modes and traction control systems that adapt seamlessly to different terrains. Step inside, and the X70 Plus reveals a cabin that's both spacious and luxurious. High-quality materials, leather-accented seating, and ambient LED lighting create a premium atmosphere. Technology is front and center, with a large infotainment touchscreen, smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging, and a premium sound system to keep all passengers entertained. Driver assistance and safety features are extensive, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, parking sensors, and multiple airbags, providing peace of mind on every journey. Compared to previous Jetta models, the 2025 X70 Plus feels more refined, technologically advanced, and comfortable, offering a perfect blend of style, practicality, and versatility. With competitive pricing, it stands out as an SUV that delivers premium features and performance without breaking the bank, making it an ideal choice for families, tech enthusiasts, and adventure seekers alike. So there you have it. 5 SUVs that are actively shaping and defining the 2025 market in bold, exciting ways. Each brings something unique and valuable to the table. Land Cruiser LC300, legendary toughness enhanced with cutting-edge technology. Hyundai Tucson, stylish versatility with practical everyday excellence. Kia Sportage, bold design paired with engaging, confident performance. Haval H6, sophisticated comfort meeting modern technological advancement. Jetta X70 Plus, premium luxury features with competitive value positioning. But here's what really matters. We're witnessing a fundamental shift in what vehicles can be. The SUV segment in 2025 isn't just about efficient transportation from point A to point B anymore. It's about experiences that enrich your daily life, adventures that were previously impossible or impractical, and innovation that makes driving genuinely enjoyable again. Whether you're drawn to the Land Cruiser's uncompromising adventure credentials, the Tucson's perfect everyday balance, the Sportage's bold confidence, the H6 sophisticated technology, or the X70 Plus's value-packed luxury, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're investing in a lifestyle upgrade. The advanced technology features demonstrate that modern SUVs are becoming rolling command centers that keep you connected, entertained, and safe. The design evolution shows that practical family vehicles can still turn heads and spark conversations. Most importantly, these SUVs represent freedom. Freedom to explore beyond your comfort zone. Freedom to handle whatever weather or terrain life throws at you. Freedom to arrive at your destination, feeling energized rather than drained. Freedom to choose something that reflects who you are rather than just what you need. Thanks for riding along on this comprehensive journey with me today. If you enjoyed this detailed exploration, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment with which SUV caught your attention, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the hottest vehicles hitting the road this year. Because remember, Life's too short for boring cars, and 2025 is proving that boring is officially off the table.